Okay, so just having a quick look at the car today. Like I said, I haven't had a real chance to have a look at it, and look what I found. The guy previously, the fuel filter, he put in back to front. It's meant to be the other way around. In's meant to be going in from the tank, and then it goes out of the filter into the engine. So that might be where the issue is, where I'm losing power. And I've got a new fan that I'm going to replace, but the guy stripped a bolt, so I'm going to have to try to remove that. And I've also got the door trim off. As you can see, I've pulled off the that cream color trim, which is here. He also had these pieces of wood in the door for some reason, but it's all out now, so I'll end up putting this back together. I also got a new window switch, because these were the old switches that were broken, and I've also put it on the new one, so that will sit in the door and I'll have new switches, which is good. But as I was saying, got this filter, as you can see, flow and out. So I'm guessing once I replace this, I should have at least better fuel pressure and the car should go a bit better. So that's how it should be. But anyways, I'll give you an update. I may give you an update. Like I said, I did get that intercooler and all that stuff, so don't know if it's going to be part of this video. Should be, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, as you can see now, I've replaced the fuel filter, so it comes in from the tank into the filter and out of the filter into the engine. See how it starts. Seems alright. And it revs a lot easier now too, so that's clearly one of the issues that would have been. It's cold, so I don't really want to rev it too much. Happy days. Oh, and here's the window switch. So it's good. Good start. The only other issue is now one of the bolts is rounded on this. Clearly, with the way this guy works, makes sense. So I'm just gonna have to try get that off, and then I'll be able to replace the fan. See how that moves around like that. Shouldn't be doing that. It means it's got an issue. It should be more tighter and smoother. Well, you can't really see. You just have to take my word for it. But yeah, I'll put the camera down, do some more stuff, and hopefully we start to get this car dialed in. Alright, I just got back from a drive, quick little drive just around the block. Can confirm that the fuel filter did clearly do something, which makes sense. The car does drive a bit better now, does hit some boost, blow valve works, but it's still lacking some power somewhere, so I'll end up taking out the plugs, all the plugs. I reckon there is a vacuum leak somewhere. I still need to replace the fan, which I haven't done that yet, but I'll do that another time because I've got to go somewhere. I've also removed the bonnet insulator just because it was all torn and ripped and whatever. And as for the inside, I just quickly put the door trim back on. As you can see, the that cream color is gone. I'll do the same on the other side. The only reason why I only did this side was because I needed to replace the window switches. But yeah, like this here, we'll need to replace that as well. Get try find a standard one. I don't know what he's done, but yeah, we'll worry about that next time. Alright, just thought I'd do a bit of an update on the Beamer as well in this video. So did end up working on this thing this weekend too. Ripped out all the back seats as well as the parcel shelf, the seat belts. There was an amp in the back. and emptied half the boot. Haven't really taken off all these other plastic trims. I'm just going to leave them on there for now until I take the car drifting to see how it goes, to be honest. Don't want to waste too much time. Want to make sure the car is all good before I start making the inside looking pretty. But yeah, as you can see, the front's still all together. I haven't got a seat yet. Like I said, I'm gonna go to the track, make sure the car works perfect before I spend money on the interior side of things. I am gonna go get the diff welded. Clearly I don't have any tools or a welder, so I'm just gonna take it to some mechanic and get him to do it. I'll also put the front adapters for the steering angle that I got in that parts video box, which I have here. So I'll do that, and yeah, and then hopefully in the next week or two we'll start drifting this thing. But thank you guys for watching the video, and I shall see you guys for the next one.